In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your tasks clearly labeled as high, medium, or low priority so your team can focus on what matters most. Let's start with the why. Priority is more than a label, it's a shared signal that helps everyone understand what needs attention first. When you add a priority field to your project, tasks become easier to scan, plan, and discuss in stand-ups or review meetings. First, open the project that contains the task you want to update. From your Asana workspace, head to your project list and click into the right project so you can see the full list of tasks. Make sure you're viewing the task list where column headers are visible across the top. That's where we'll add priority in just a moment. If you're jumping between multiple projects, take a second to confirm you're in the one where the task actually lives so your change shows up in the right place. Next, add the custom field. Look at the row of column headers at the top of your task list. On the far right edge, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon. This is Asana's way of letting you add or show more columns, including custom fields that help you categorize work. Now choose the priority field. After clicking the plus, Asana will show suggested fields. Select the one labeled priority. This is a ready-made field Asana provides, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. The priority column will appear alongside your other columns, ready to use. Finally, set the level on your task. Find your task in the list, then look to the empty cell in the new priority column next to it. Click that cell and pick high, medium, or low. A quick guideline: use high for time-sensitive or critical blockers, medium for standard work that needs steady progress, and low for nice-to-haves or tasks with flexible timelines. Keep your choices consistent across the project so teammates interpret them the same way. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: be selective with high. If everything is high, nothing is. Revisit priorities as work evolves. It's normal to adjust a task from medium to high if deadlines shift. And because priority is visible in your task list, it makes planning meetings faster and follow-ups clearer. That's all there is to it. Open your project, add the custom field, choose priority, and set the level. With this in place, your team gains immediate clarity and your project becomes far easier to manage.